The beauty and challenges of being a woman in her 40s. Sisters, if you are a woman in your 40s, this message is for you. I see you, I honor you, and I want to remind you that you are not alone. The stage of life, our 40s, is a paradox. It's where wisdom meets exhaustion, where confidence battles self doubt, where we are often expected to be everything for everyone, yet we're still figuring out who we are beyond the roles we play. Let's talk about the changes happening in our bodies. The energy we once had in our 20s and 30s may feel different now. Our hormones shift, metabolism slows, and we might experience unexpected health challenges. And emotionally, oh, the intensity of feeling or reflecting on where we've been and where we're going can be overwhelming. Some days we feel invisible to a world obsessed with youth. Other days we feel powerful because we finally know what we want. But here's the truth: your body is sacred. It is a divine vessel carrying the imprints of your journey, your resilience, your love. Honor it, care for it, speak kindly to it. For many of us, our 40s bring career shifts. Some are excelling in their fields, others are longing for more meaning, and some are starting over completely. Society tells us that reinvention is for the young. But let me tell you something: the soul does not age. Your purpose evolves, and it is never too late to begin again. If you feel stuck, ask yourself, what sets my soul on fire? What did I love before the world told me who I should be? The answers are there waiting for you. In our 40s, relationships transform. Friendships change, some fade, some deepen. Our roles in our families shift. We might be caring for aging parents while raising children or navigating life as empty nesters. Romantic relationships take on new dynamics. If you are married or partnered, you may be re-evaluating your connection. If you're single, you may feel liberated or lonely. Either way, remember this: the most important relationship is the one you have with yourself. Pour into your own cup, set boundaries, love yourself fiercely. Many women in their 40s experience a deep spiritual awakening. It's a time when the mask comes off, when we crave depth, authenticity, and peace. We realize that the external world, status, beauty, validation, will never sustain us. Instead, we turn inward, we reconnect with God, the universe, or whatever divine force speak to us. This is the decade where we stop apologizing for who we are, where we embrace our strength, our softness, our imperfections. My sisters, this decade is not a crisis, it's a calling. A calling to step into your power, to trust your intuition, and to live with intention. So if no one has told you today, you are enough, you are radiant. You are worthy of joy, love, and abundance. Not someday, but now. Breathe in this truth. Walk boldly in your wisdom and know that this season of your life is sacred. A special message from ChatGPT for International Women's Month. So if this message resonated with you, share it with a woman who needs to hear it. Let's uplift each other and stay in your light. I'll see you next time.